Hey folks, Jimmy Schwinn here from mastermindwebinars.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to go over today some copywriting, and I'm going to show you some of the copywriting that I'm doing for Mastermind Webinars. And right now I have up one of the emails, actually the first email that goes out, but I want to explain something real quick. So again, you know that I use ClickFunnels. If you get ClickFunnels through my affiliate link off my blog, there's some additional free training that I do for my ClickFunnels members, people that are under me in ClickFunnels. This is a tool, one of the tools that I utilize to build funnels. And this tool is where I'm building the front end and the back end of mastermindwebinars.com. So in here under Action Edits, there's email list and there's action funnels. And I want to explain that first, and then I'm going to get into talking about this email and why I'm highlighting or why I'm bolding and underlining certain words, okay? And it's very, very important. You can see I just started, testing and getting this thing, and you can see I'm 52% open rate. So we're going to get that better. But again, I want to explain the concept of what I'm doing with the copywriting. I've been doing copywriting for about 15 years now, and it's one of the most important things that you master, your messaging to your community. You need to be in control of that messaging. If people ask me, Jimmy, what is the one thing that I need to master and maintain control of, I would say it is copywriting. And when you give it into somebody else's hands, you still got to oversee it and maintain control of it because it's your message to your community. And it's very, very important, the psychology of your messaging and what you're doing. And I'm going to get into a little bit of that today, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing internally with Mastermind Webinars. So when you log in here or when you opt in here to get a free access to the Mastermind Webinars, okay, what happens is you go into this email list. And this email list right here. Now you can see I have 86 people in there. So some of those people got an earlier version. Let me pull the email up real quick. So we have it. So some people that are receiving this email got an earlier version of this. And again, I have, I didn't have a lot of time in 2017. I have much more time in 2018 to work on Mastermind Webinars, and I have actually carved out time in my weekly schedule to make sure that I can keep it going. I mean, I scheduled it ongoing for the whole year. That way I can deliver the goods to everybody. But so this is the first email they get, okay? And I'm going to go through that. They're in now this list. This list is attached to the action funnel. And I'm going to get into more training on this later, but I just want to kind of explain, how this is working. And then the action funnel is where the magic starts to happen. This is the funnel behind the scenes. Remember, when you're looking at an iceberg, you see some of it above it and it looks big, but what's below is the biggest, right? When you're looking at a sales funnel or a funnel, whether it's a webinar funnel, a sales funnel, a webinar funnel, whatever, you see the front end, but you don't see the back end. What's going on behind the scenes, right? And that's where the action funnels come in. And the very first thing that happens is the first email goes out, and then I remove them from some custom audiences on Facebook. I remove them from every other list that I have. Okay, so all my other lists, I remove them from it because now they're a member of Mastermind Webinars. And I generate leads through giving away individuals free books and other free training material to generate leads. Okay, so once they come into this members free Mastermind Webinars free member prospects, I pull them out of all the other lists. This allows me to set it up and do it easily. So I send them the first email. I remove them from this audience here, okay, on Facebook. So these are people that I follow around that visit the homepage, right? So I remove them from that list. Then I go in here, I remove them from that custom audience on Facebook. Then I remove them from the .com secret book list. Then I remove them from the expert secret book list. Then I remove them from the Moneteum members list. Then I remove them from the affiliate bootcamp. Then I remove them from another custom audience. So I can do that within the action funnels. It's just a beautiful thing. And then after I get done doing that, the next day I will send out another email. So that's kind of what action funnels are. It allows me to send out my autoresponders, remove and add people from Facebook custom audiences, and remove and add people to lists, okay? I can add somebody to a list here too. But this is training. This video is not really going to be on that right now. I want to get into the actual copywriting itself, okay? So let's go back to setting the stage. So, of course, I do everything on Word, and this is the day 0. So I'm working on, this is what's called a soap opera sequence if you read the .com secrets book. And let me show you. Again, here's the book in my desk drawer. I also have it with the 108 proven split tests. And I'm going through this book again. I'll read it another time. I read it once, and then I'm going to go through it again. And a lot of information in here I know because I have 20 years doing this, but there was a lot of gold nuggets in here, and it was laid out perfectly for the new beginner. Okay, so if you haven't gotten this book yet, this is a must read. Both the books, the .com secrets and expert secrets, are a must read. And by the way, when you get them again from me, what I do is I have private training for anybody who gets the books or in any of the tools that I have on my blog or within the back office, okay? So here you can see that this is my welcome email, right? But it's also giving people information about who I am. Why should you listen to me? You know, there's so many people out there talking the talk and not walking the walk. Why should you listen to me? And this gets into telling you a little bit about me and what I have to offer for you. And I actually do this every single day, 6 days a week. So, you know, you got to get good at something when you got 60,000 hours into it, right? So, again, I go through, if you look at the psychology of this, so welcome to the family. So if people don't have time to read this whole thing, I want the highlighted, the bold and bold underlined words to bring a message to them, okay? So first thing is welcome to our family. Help you build a profitable business online. 20 years of experience. 60,000 hours in this trade. Failures, successes. School of hard knocks. Creating hundreds of thousands of leads. Tens of millions of dollars in online sale. Online marketing. It happened to online marketing. You profits. You free, more value. Free, grow your business. Attraction marketing. Market your business online. Helping you master your online business success. 4 easy steps. Full access. Training tools and resources. Everything to gain. Free. Complete the 4 steps now. And then how did I get here? My next email in this autoresponder where I'm going to tell the story, which I'm working on. That's one of the things I'm working on here, working on finishing up this whole series. But then you can see that I tell people to look out for my email tomorrow, and then powerful business building book that I'm going to share with them. And then I share with them actually the expert secrets on the next email, okay? Which, by the way, is a critical book to read. First, you read the .com secrets because you need to know the foundation of understanding the difference between a website that gets a 1 to 3% conversion rate and a sales funnel that can get 8 to 10 to 11 to 12% conversion rate. It's mathematical, okay? I discovered sales funnels before anybody even knew what a sales funnel was. I didn't know what a sales funnel was, but I built one. I didn't know I was building one, but I built it, and this next email tells you what happened when I did, and it was powerful. It changed my business, okay? It changed the business that I was involved in then. So it gives you my story. So again, 100% truthfulness in your emails. No fake nonsense, okay? 100% truthfulness in your emails. And again, did you see how that went? Welcome to the family. So if they're not reading my email, every single word of it, and they're skimming through it, I'm getting them to see the things that I want them to see in order to finish registering for free access to the Mastermind webinars. Okay. And again, I'm building the free access. Well, I don't have it up, but I'm going to be really adding a lot of massive training and value into the free membership. So the goal of my email here is to welcome them, okay, get them to finish the registration process for the free membership, and then get them to look out for the book, or let them to look out for my email, and then for tomorrow, and then get them to, look out also for my email, because I'm going to share this powerful business building book with them that they can get for free. So hopefully this brings some value to you. Understanding it's very important. I mean, I will tell you that I don't have all day to sit and focus on email writing copy, right? I've got to do a few hours here and a few hours there. But once I get done with all of this and I get into more training in the free members area, I will have at least a week of my time. I mean, probably 40, 50 hours of my time in developing, I think it's 5 total emails. But it's very important that those 5 emails, one, again, are 100% factual and truthful, but also get people to move down the path that you want them to move down, so you can help serve them and help them get out of their own way and help them actually build a business that's going to be profitable online instead of losing money online. And again, I've helped hundreds of businesses online, and every time any owner has followed my instructions and followed my consultation, they've been able to double, triple, quadruple their sales online. So wanted to share this information with you. Hope it, again, is valuable to you. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're not a member of mastermindwebinars.com, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's free. All I want to do is provide value, and then I want to show you the tools I use. And if you're going to move forward, utilize my tools and utilize them from my affiliate link. That is what I'm in this for, to share massive information for free that helps you build a profitable business online. And for doing so, if you're going to use ClickFunnels, or you're going to get the books, or you're going to use anything else that I'm recommending, do it through me. That's the bottom line, okay? And that's why I'm spending my time, a third of my time building out mastermind webinars and building out the training and all of that to give to you for free. There will be no site like this on the internet with free information. I promise you that. I have made the decision to deliver all the goods for free. And then, of course, I'm going to have a mastermind group that'll be a monthly membership that'll have live webinars and personal, interaction with groups to really help you actually implement this stuff. I mean, I know this video is going a little longer, but I want to talk about this. The most important thing that you have to do in life, period, is take action. You can't just always train and learn. You've got to take action. Now, listen, I dedicate a percentage of my time reading books. I know probably 80% of what's in this book or more, but I'm going to read through it again. And I'm actually going to be teaching it for free in the back office along with what I know. Okay. So when you do register as a free member of mastermindwebinars.com, I'm going to be going through and teaching this book. Okay. But adding my stuff to it. And again, a lot of stuff in here is not something that, Russell just came upon. It's been out there. You know what I mean? I've been on the internet since it was created, and there was people doing this way before Russell even got in. But this is a guy right now that's doing $100 million a year in ClickFunnels, over 50,000 members. Pretty powerful, right? So this is a great book for anybody that's, an expert or the beginner. And again, I recommend the first book that you read. So I'm going to be teaching it chapter by chapter in here. I'm going to be teaching it and building videos out in the back office of Mastermind Webinars, all available for free. And again, what's in it for you, Jim? Hey, I want to build hundreds of people in my tools, my Lead Recruiter Pro, my ClickFunnels, my tools that I recommend, and that's what's in it for me. So again, I'm going to dedicate a third of my time this year to building this out and delivering the goods to you. I hope what I talked about on this email makes sense to you. Again, you do not rush through creating your autoresponders. They have to be thought out. They have to be logical. They have to have, again, what I'm doing here with the bolding and the underlined bolding, so that if somebody does not have the time to read it all, they can scan through it and get the gist of it and get the goal of the email, which this goal here is to get people to finish up the registration. So thank you for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care.